here's a light on your vehicle, especially if you have a Toyota Venza. You hit this icon right there, right here. That icon, all you have to do is just press it and it returns you to the back menu. So go ahead and click that. That goes away, and this is basically my back menu. And then I can go up and down on the toggle, going from all those options. What I want to go into is I want to go into the settings. Notice that you can toggle down, up, and then side to side. When I toggle down, I go into my settings right there. Now I want to go all the way over, and see those two little dots there? That means that there's two sections. I want to go all the way down to right there, where the little gear and the little car is at. So I go right there, hold for details, press OK. So then I go down, scheduled maintenance, and I have oil changes. So every 5,000 miles, I'll get a scheduled maintenance. For a scheduled maintenance, you want all your fluids checked. You want your cabin air filter, your engine air filter. You want your windshield washer fluid refilled. You want it checked. You want your brakes checked. You want your tires fill up if they need to get filled up with air to the right PSI. And just an undercarriage inspection, and also under the hood inspection. And once you do all of that, you go into your scheduled maintenance. You click and hold OK. And then it's going to ask you one time, are you okay as far as resetting this data? And you're going to go for yes, especially if you've done this. And reset complete. We're going to hit the back, and it's going to take us from that back into this area. But definitely for the car, you'll go for scheduled maintenance. It's every 5,000, and your oil maintenance on this vehicle, because it's 0W16 full synthetic. It's supposed to last you 10,000 miles, but I got a 5,000 mile sticker here. I do it myself, so I put additional details. 0W16, 4 quarts, 12 ounces, at 32,994. I would hit 5,000 miles on the oil that I just changed, or 37,994, and I'm at 35,000. So 2,000 more miles to go. I can change it today if I had time, or in the next couple weeks. I can change it before I get to 37,000. Then I'll go to my engine oil maintenance, and I can reset it for 10,000 miles, which is already preset for that. But I have also checked it, the oil and everything looks good.